Welcome guys, today we're making chicken light soup and these are the ingredients. We first start off with our tough chicken, chop that up and then add our ginger, our tomato paste, and for the blending or the seasoning we have garlic, ginger and habanero, and then we're going to add in some red onion for the flavor. We're adding some aniseed which can be substituted with fennel seeds. We've got whole black pepper, then we've got some rosemary, and guys, just blend it up into a smooth paste and then add it to your chicken. It adds the aroma, the flavor, like ooh girl. And then we're gonna add some chicken bouillon or Vegeta seasoning which you can find in Coles. We also add our 2 bay leaves, put them in the pot, make sure it's mixed thoroughly, then put it on the heat, like show it some love, you know what I mean? Put it on the heat, let it steam for about 20-30 minutes, and then go back again and add some water. You don't want it to burn. And in another pot we're gonna add a whole onion, 2 tomatoes. Oh, I realized that I had some frozen, what do you call this again, aubergines. We're gonna let that boil, then later on we're gonna blend it with extra water, so the water that you boiled it in, blend it with that, and we're gonna take it over to the chicken. Make sure you sieve it because you do not want all that grainy stuff in it. It's called light soup for a reason. Make sure you sieve it through. If you want to add some water, then let it boil for an extra 20 minutes, and guys, voila, it is ready. Let me tell you, we did not add any oil, and this is the end result. Look at it, look at it, look at it going over the fufu. The fufu is made with mashed potatoes. See you guys.